Illustrated by Todd Oren. Do bees make butter? No. Bees make honey. Honeybees make honey from sweet liquid called nectar that they drink from flowers. The nectar mixes with special juices from the bees' bodies. Back at their hives, the bees store the sweet liquid in honeycombs. The liquid dries as thick, golden honey. Do caterpillars make butter? No. Caterpillars make cocoons. Squirmy caterpillars spin cocoons around their bodies. They spin with silky threads that come from their mouths. Hidden within their cocoons, the caterpillars slowly change shape. One day, out flutter soft moths or bright butterflies. Do oysters make butter? No, oysters make pearls. Sometimes a grain of sand slips inside an oyster's shell. Ouch! The oyster quickly covers the sand with a liquid. The shiny liquid thickens and hardens. Soon, a gleaming pearl is formed around the grain of sand. Do wasps make butter? No. Wasps make paper. A wasp's sharp jaws scrape bits of wood from trees, poles, or fences. The wood mixes with saliva in the insect's mouth and becomes soft. The wasp spits and spreads this mixture in thin layers to form a nest. The layers dry into soft but tough paper. Do beavers make butter? No. Beavers make dams. Beavers cut down small trees with their sharp front teeth. They build a wall of trees, twigs, and mud in a flowing stream. The wall becomes a dam that slows down the stream and makes a pool. Beavers swim and build their homes in the new pool. Do weaverbirds make butter? No. Weaverbirds make giant nests. Weaverbirds gather strands of grass and straw. They fly to a tall, sturdy tree. Carefully, their busy beaks weave and knot the strands together. Hundreds of weavers weave a single giant nest. One nest can hold 300 pairs of birds, and each pair has its own entrance. Do termites make butter? No. Termites make mounds. African termites build huge mounds from soil and saliva. They dig tunnels and chimneys in the mounds to let hot air escape. Deep inside the mound, termites keep cool and comfortable. Do spiders make butter? No. Spiders make webs. A spider's body makes silky threads that the spider weaves into a web. Strong, sticky webs catch unlucky bugs that become the spider's feast. Webs also catch the morning dew and sparkle in the sun. Do bowerbirds make butter? No. Bowerbirds make decorations. The male satin bowerbird collects blue and yellow objects. He looks for things such as feathers, flowers, and blue beetle shells. The bird carefully decorates the ground near his nest, or bower. He uses his treasures to attract curious female bowerbirds flying overhead. Do people make butter? Yes. People make butter. People make butter by whipping up or churning rich milk. They get the milk from cows, goats, sheep, or yaks. People spread butter on bread or on pancakes. They drizzle it on popcorn and add it when they bake. All around the world, people make and eat butter.
Okay, boys and girls, so now we are going to take the test. So, boys and girls, question number 1 says, as bees make honey, they mix nectar with, what do they mix it with? A, venom from their stinger sac. B, pollen from flowery plants. C, syrup from maple trees. Or D, special juices from their bodies. Who can tell me the answer? Yes, awesome job. Letter D. So now it says, what does an oyster do when a grain of sand slips inside its shell? Does it A, it swallows the sand and digests it? B, it grinds the sand into finer pieces? C, it covers the sand with a shiny liquid? Or D, it grabs sea kelp to mix with the sand? Can anybody tell me the answer? Yes, letter C. It covers the sand with shiny liquid. Number 3. A wasp uses its sharp jaws to A, break up large pieces of hardened honeycomb. B, scrape bits of wood from trees, poles, or fence. C, shred green stems and leaves to feed its babies. Or D, pull the tough wing off smaller insects. Yes, guys, it's letter B. Number 4. What does the weaverbird use to make its giant nest? So does it use strands of grass and straws, pieces of rock and dried mud, tree bark and pine needles, or D, silk threads that come from its mouth? Can anybody tell me the answer? Letter A. Does everybody agree? Okay. Now question number 5. What does the male statin bowerbird attract female blowerbirds? A, by giving off a pleasant scent as he flies. B, by puffing up his bright blue chest. C, by decorating the ground near his nest. Or D, by singing sweetly in the early morning. What do you think the answer is? Letter C. Does everybody agree? Okay. How much did you all like the book? I really liked it because I learned a lot with this book. There were some things in the story that I didn't know. And awesome job, guys. We got 100.